Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
My name is Barack. What is your name?
My name is Leah. Nice to meet you, Barack.
Nice to meet you too, Leah. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. How about you?
I live here too. What do you do, Leah?
I am a student. What about you?
I am a student too. Are you free right now, or are you busy?
No, I'm free. Let's chat.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up early, at around 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up early too. What do you usually do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs, and I drink tea. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I like tea in the morning, but I drink coffee sometimes. How do you go to school?
I usually go by bus, but sometimes I walk.
What time do you eat lunch and dinner?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. and dinner at 8 p.m. Then I sleep around 10 p.m.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have brothers and sisters. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I love my family. Do you help around the house?
Yes, I clean my room and help my mother and father every day.
That's great. Do you eat meals together?
Yes, we eat dinner together every night.
What is your favorite food, Leah?
I love rice, vegetables, fish, and chicken. What about you?
I like those too, but I really love pizza and fast food sometimes.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, my favorite fruit is mango. What's yours?
I love mangoes too, along with apples and bananas.
Do you like ice cream and sweets?
Yes, I love ice cream and chocolate.
What are your favorite hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, drawing, and listening to music. What do you like to do?
I love playing sports. I play football and cricket.
Do you play games on your phone or watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening and play mobile games sometimes.
Do you like swimming or traveling?
Yes, I love swimming in the summer and traveling to new places with my friends.
How is the weather today, Barack?
It is very sunny today. Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, but I also like rain and cool winter weather.
What do you do when it rains?
I take an umbrella if I go outside or stay home and drink hot tea.
What is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is English, but I also like science and math.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I read, write, listen, and practice speaking every day.
Why do you practice so much?
Because I want to speak English fluently and with confidence.
What do you want to be in the future, Leah?
I want to work hard, be successful, and maybe become a teacher or doctor. What about you?
I want to learn new skills, be successful, and travel the world.
Do you want to meet new people and make many friends?
Yes, I do. I'm glad we became friends today.
Me too, Baruch. See you later.
See you later. Have a great day.